people. I don't even. The one guy's name was Weed. His name was Weed, and there's this avatar where I could cast spells. Like I could, like spell. I just sat there for 5 hours, just playing with my spells, and this guy named Weed. And the thing is, what was funny was, the guy was just. He knew how fucked up I was, and he was really nice. His character was bugged, and he couldn't see the pixels and the spells that I was like making, but he didn't say anything because he didn't want to like ruin it for me. He's like, yeah, man, that's super cool. They did it for an hour, acting like you could see it, because he didn't want to fuck it, like make me feel bad. So what a good guy. His name. After an hour, I'm like, dude, do you see this? He's like, Chance, I gotta come clean. I haven't seen shit that you're doing for the past hour. I'm like.
Ah, shit. You fucking retard! Hey! Why are you aiming up? Do you see my ring fit? Hey. How does that make sense? What? Are you autistic? What? Oh, I have it upside down. Oh. Oh, that's okay.
What the fuck do I do? Not reading chat. I don't care that you guys know what to do. I don't fucking give a shit. Well, that's a sick shield. Okay, what the fuck? Oh my god, I can just open the door.
Down, I think.
Yeah, we need to vote him down next round. Do not.
No, it's exit time. He's
put the
looking
fuse
for
in
the
it.
exit.
No,
I'm not
he
putting
can't.
in the fuse.
He can't look for the fuse. It's impossible.
I'm putting the fuse in. It's a depth in. It's a depth in Felix. Fuck.
Guys, I think it might be Hasan.
Guys, I think it's Hasan.
It's gotta be Hasan.
Dude,
What the
he's playing
fuck?
dead
Why
on the
can't people
floor.
fucking hear me? It's a depth in Felix. Why can't people hear me?
Hasan,
It's a
why
depth
are
in
you-
Felix.
Hasan, why are you playing dead? This is so weird.
What the fuck is going on, dude? Why can't they hear me? Did my mic broke again?
And yours just ran out.
It's like when you Jake and buy plates.
All right, guys, let's get this bounty.
Jake,
okay?
buy plates.
Over here. Let's get this bounty over here. All right, guys.
Jake and buy plates.
Pogshab.
Jake.
All right.
Jake.
Okay. Well.
Jake. My plate.
Whoa! What the fuck? What the fuck?
And you guys are ignoring me.
I have to go get something to eat. To be right back. Give me 2 minutes.
Wait, how do you guys move this over?
My game is bugged, and I have to like
Jake, what I did is I went into video settings, I put it into window mode,
It's
I
kind
turned
of
down the
annoying.
resolution so I could pick it
Okay,
up and
I'll
drag
fix
it.
my resolution in a minute. Everybody log into the game.
Dude, if you guys could get sponsored by one fast food, what would it be?
I just woke up from a
Mine would be
nightmare.
Taco Bell.
I don't think it's fair to say only porn stars and OnlyFans people prey on vulnerable people and their hormones. Like, fucking everything does. You know what's way worse than that? You know what's way fucking worse? Media and consumerism. They don't just prey on vulnerable people. They try to inflict the most self-esteem issues into fucking everyone and then profit off of them. You'll think you're doing just fine. They're gonna give you a problem to feel shitty about and then give you a solution so they can make money off of you. Very nice.
No, shake that.
Sorry. That really frightened me. I don't even know why. It was just a bunch of people talking and my headphones were really loud and I just...
They're pushing along. Oh, shit.
I know exactly.
Dude, Blizzard drew a dick.
That's a fucking dude. What the fuck, dude? They drew a dick. Okay, what's over here? Yeah, this would be right where Helya is. Basically, right. I know that like a lot of people they're very, very cynical. They are very cynical. And I think that the fact is that, wait, why is everybody dying? Blizzard! They literally killed us! They won't even show themselves. They're so afraid. They will not even... Oh, it's the guy. Oh, come on, man! He says GG. Look. Yo, wow, how fit.
And then go right.
Continue. Dude, I hope they crash.
Hey, do you guys need to be?
Go back!
Listen, dude, it's so stressful.
Keep going.
Go back!
In the fucking car, dude. Anyone got armor?
I'm not getting in that fucking car. Fuck that.
That's a one hit. That's a waiting to be one hit.
Anyone got armor?
I know where.
My FOV feels so weird, chat. It feels so zoomed in. I don't know what's going on. Something's wrong with my settings. It has to be. Okay, well,
Jake, my plate.
whoa, what the fuck? Fight! Sorry.
Freak ran away. What did you do?
Man.
I can't fuck with you guys, dude. You guys
Wait, on me. On my ping. He's going for the helicopter. Oh! What? Bullshit, dude.
are you good?
I missed him. Yeah, but he took the helicopter. It was so close. Bullshit. There's one chasing me. It's close.
We're watching porn! All right, we're watching. What the fuck is this?
Are we gonna watch sex? Oh, I don't want to watch this kind of sex. No, chat, this isn't good kind of sex.
Get off her!
That's it.
I hope she's okay. Oh. Oh, fuck yes.
I think that was a spider hanging from the ceiling. Gave him the Hugo. Wow, that was fucking weird. It was hanging in front of me right here. Like, oh, am I stoned? Is that a spider? I got him. He saw what I did to his homies right there. Sold him on the street. Oh, shit. Okay, well, anyway, whatever, man. If you're butthurt about being banned, just ask No Pants.
You're up next.
Do you want to see the trailer of it?
Well, I gotta catch that. Are you dead, or?
Nah. I'm gulag.
Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Montage of Greek dying? Okay. Wait, next.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, look at this thumbnail.
What?
It's you picking Nick's warm hair. That's disgusting.
That's the content that you get here.
Can I have it back? Give it back.
Greek is annoying. Well, then fucking leave then, you piece of shit. Oh, xQc must be live. He's zooming somewhere.